What specialized tools are used for vintage Glycine watch repair? If you are curious about what tools are essential for repairing vintage Glycine watches, you are in the right place. Let's break down the specialized tools that watchmakers use to keep these beautiful timepieces ticking. When it comes to vintage Glycine watches, having the right tools is key to ensuring that repairs are done correctly without harming the watch. One of the first tools you will need is a watch case opener. This tool allows you to safely open the back of the watch case without damaging it or the crystal. Next, precision screwdrivers are a must. These come in various sizes to handle the tiny screws found in the movement and case. You will also want fine-pointed tweezers. They are perfect for carefully handling small parts like screws, springs, and gears. A loupe or magnifier is another essential tool. This helps watchmakers inspect small components and perform detailed work. Moving on to specialized tools for vintage mechanical movements, a movement holder is crucial. This tool secures the watch movement firmly during repairs to prevent any damage. You will also need hand remover and hand setter tools. These are used to safely remove and reinstall the watch hands without bending or scratching them. Cleaning equipment is vital as well. Ultrasonic cleaners and steam cleaning tools are great for removing dirt and old lubricants from movement parts. Lubrication is important in watch repair, so specialized watch oils and precision oilers are necessary. They help apply the correct amount of lubrication to pivots and gears, reducing friction. A timing machine is also an important tool. It measures the accuracy of the watch's movement and helps adjust its timing for optimal performance. Mainspring winders assist in safely removing and installing the mainspring, which is a critical component in mechanical watches. After repairs, a case press is used to reseal the watch case, ensuring water resistance and protecting the movement. For vintage watch restoration, additional tools come into play. Dial cleaning tools are essential for preserving the original finish of the dial. Crystal polishing and replacement tools are important for repairing or replacing scratched or damaged watch crystals. Sometimes, small components like bushings and replacement parts are needed in vintage watch repair to replace worn or broken parts. When a watchmaker repairs a vintage Glycine watch, they start by carefully opening the case with a case opener. Then, they use screwdrivers and tweezers to disassemble the movement. The parts are cleaned using ultrasonic equipment and inspected under magnification. Worn parts like the mainspring or bushings may be replaced. The movement is lubricated with precise oilers and reassembled in a movement holder. Hands are reset with hand-setting tools, and the watch is tested on a timing machine to ensure accuracy. Finally, the case is sealed with a case press to protect the restored movement. Using these specialized tools is essential to maintain the watch's mechanical integrity and aesthetic. This is especially important for collectors of vintage Glycine watches who value both functionality and originality. Proper tools and techniques help prevent damage and preserve the watch's historical and monetary value.